Hey guys, in today's video I am doing a thrift haul. Full disclosure, I really didn't thrift that many things. I did go to TJ Maxx because it was right beside one of the thrift stores that I went to, and I can't resist TJ Maxx. Now I did resist even looking at any of the clothes, so I am super proud of myself for that. And I got some things that like I truly needed, slash a couple of things that I just kind of wanted that grabbed my eye, caught my eye, whatever. So that is what today's video is, and I don't really have much else to say, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this. Now this kind of this kind of started when I had a typical like any female moment and looked at my closet that is full of clothes and thought to myself, I don't really have any clothes, which is funny when like you have a full closet full of clothes but you feel like you don't have anything to wear. And I think that's mainly because I've gotten the use out of my clothes that I feel like I need, and now they just don't really suit me anymore. Not that they are just like totally out of my comfort zone or just don't fit anymore. I just feel like bless you. I feel like I don't really know my style per se, and like I just have articles of clothing. I know it's really weird, but if you have ever felt the same way, then you definitely know what I'm talking about. So I decided that it was probably time to like do a closet clean out, which I did one, and I will link it for you up there. Sorry, I just have cat hair all over my nose. It's itching my face. One thing that also kind of like pushed me further into doing this was a video that Ashley made on Best Dressed here on YouTube, and I will link the video specifically that I'm talking about down below. And it kind of like was how to find your style, and to be honest, I did not watch the entire video. The first thing that she said to do was kind of like, maybe it's not the first, this is not relevant, was to go on Instagram and like follow people specifically who you basically like identify with in their sense of style. And her suggestion, could you not? Her suggestion was going on Instagram, like I said, and making a new profile, because if you go to the explore page on your Instagram, it really is curated to like what you frequently look at on Instagram. So if you're trying to start this new, like it's really hard to get that explore page to kind of like refocus. So I did this a couple of nights ago on Friday night. Today is Sunday, and I made a new Instagram, and I only found Instagram pages that really like spoke to me in terms of what they were wearing, and I thought, oh, that is definitely my style. So I was able to really identify what type of style I like in clothes, rather than, oh, this is cute or that is cute. And it's pretty easy because it's kind of hard when you're just like looking up fashion as a hashtag, because everybody can just hashtag whatever they want. But when you find one, you can just hit the little like downward triangle thing, and it suggests a bunch of other people to follow. And that's just kind of how I picked and chose like some of the ones that I really feel like have the same type of style ideas as me, or I guess maybe mine are the same as theirs. And I just haven't gone thrifting in a while. Like honestly, since my last video, I'll link that if you want to watch. That's the last time that I thrifted, and that's been a really long time, like a very long time. I can't even remember. I feel like almost a year, if not like maybe 9 months. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the thrift haul. So I got this t-shirt right here, and it is a tie-dye t-shirt, but it's like black and gray, very like my vibe. I'm realizing that just neutral colors are just the way to go for me, and just that's just who I am. Like I have some pops of color in my wardrobe, but neutrals is definitely something that I already knew I gravitated towards, so I'm not trying to get things that I'm like not comfortable in. Anyways, I got this at one of my favorite thrift stores called Ragorama, and honestly, like for thrifting, it's a little bit more expensive than I would like. However, I find more quality pieces, and I don't necessarily mean name brand. I mean literally better quality, and it's just a very trendy place that I feel like selects their items based on the current trends, which makes it even easier to find something that you want. So this t-shirt, which like is not a special brand of t-shirt by any means, was $16.50 and I'm fully aware that that is outrageous for a t-shirt. But what it says around it is you poison the roots from which we grow, and I don't really know, and it's a sense of purpose. I don't know if this is a band. I don't really know if like, it's probably a band, let's be honest, but I'm not sure. It could be something else. Maybe I'll do some research on it, but what I really like is like this little like scenic graphic on it, and I really wanted some graphic tees, and this was the only one I found. This other shirt is the only other shirt that I got from Ragorama. Usually I have a lot more luck than what I did today, and I have to kind of say like, no Danielle, you're not spending $100 on thrifted items when you're only getting like 6 of them. But anyways, this is a shirt from Forever 21. It was $15.50 and it's just this nice cream colored sweater in really good condition, especially for it being from Forever 21, and it's really soft and stuff. But this is a great shirt that can be worn to work and that I would wear outside of work as well. Personally, I really like this neckline on myself. This next thing that I got is kind of like, it's not kind of like, it is a sweater. Is this sweater, and it has these really super cute buttons. It's from Land's End. Don't really know if that's a nice brand or not, but it's from Ohio Thrift. I don't know, is this like a thing like in other states? Is it just like the name change? I don't know, but it was $2.99. And it's this brown color, and this is not something I would typically wear. I don't wear a lot of like button-up sweater cardigan things, but it made my boobs look really nice, and my boobs never look nice, so that is why I got it. This next item I got is, other than that, I mean technically that's a v-neck, but this one is definitely a v-neck. I like this because it actually made me feel really comfortable and it looked good on me. It was $3.99. It's from ATL Studio. Also don't know that brand. Another cream neutral color. It just made me feel super comfortable. I could wear it to work and I would wear it outside of work. So it was great because it was a 2-for-1. Then the last item that I thrifted was this shirt right here. And honestly, like I can't tell if this is ugly or not. It has a collar on it and it kind of has like a v-neck, but it's not like a deep V or like anywhere like past here really. And the sleeves are kind of big, but my intention is to crop it. And in the try on portion, if you're not seeing that already, you're about to. It is so much cuter when it's cropped, and that's very trendy right now. So this is Liz Claiborne, and it was $2.99, and I just thought I would really like it, and for it only being $3, what's the harm? So I'm gonna crop it, see how that goes, and go from there. I got a new cutting board. This is legitimately what it means to be an adult now, because you get excited about getting a cutting board, but I need one because mine is like half the size, and I think it's time because I've had that cutting board for probably 7 years. Then I got this pasta, but it's made from chickpeas and lentils, which is a really good source of protein and it's better for you. Don't question anything that I do, please, because I did ask. And I got some washcloths. So I got these pumpkin seeds, mainly because they're always super expensive in the grocery store and you can find some good food at TJ, that was disgusting, at TJ Maxx. So I went ahead and got these. There's this girl that I watch on YouTube. She lives in a trailer and I didn't ask for questions. She adds pumpkin seeds to everything. It's good protein, it's a good source of iron right here as it says, and yeah, so. Then I got this bad boy right here, or girl, I don't know. And I got a new plant and I really love her already. And is that a little baby leaf? Oh my god, that's the most precious thing I've ever seen. Anyways, I forget what it's called. I'll put it on the screen if you're interested. And then I got this one as well. I was feeling sad about myself today after trying on a bunch of clothes and not really super loving my body, and decided to go get plants. So also, again, don't know the name of this one. I'll put that on the screen as well. It is super cute. I super love it. But that is everything for this video. I'm sorry if it was not that exciting or entertaining, but content is content, and I learned from Jenna Marbles recently that if this is something you actually are interested in, you have to do it on a consistent basis. So if you liked this video, I honestly could see why you wouldn't, but if you did, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up so that I know. Leave a comment down below if there is any video that you would like to see me do. Just go ahead and request it. Make sure that you don't subscribe. Yep, make sure you don't subscribe. Oh my gosh. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social medias. If they're not on the screen, they'll be on the screen in a little bit. And also there's a link to them down below. And that is everything. And I will see you guys in my next video, which is next week. Bye.